Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel and welcome back to another video. So you guys, this is going to be a bonus grocery haul. We have a birthday coming up. So it's going to be Jackson's birthday tomorrow, actually, April the 30th. Jackson will be 12. And so we wanted to buy a few little things. We are going bowling. And at the bowling alley that we go to, you can actually we're going to take some drinks and we'll take some chips. I'll probably buy pizza or something for the kids, you know, maybe some nachos or what have you. We'll find some little bowling alley snacks, but just the juices and the chips, I thought, in addition. So here's what we were able to get. And also, we plan one cheat day a month on Whole30. We actually do the whole day instead of a meal. And so we picked up a couple things for that. So that's what we have here. I spent $48 at Walmart. That's where I was. $48 don't get you a lot. So I got the unsweetened applesauce packets. We like those. I think they were $4 and some change. Got a cabbage for 78 cents a pound. 2 no sugar added apple juices for $1.54. 2 things of raisins. 2 more things of raisins. We really like raisins. And then I got 2 of the Kool-Aid jammers. They were $1.68. These were $1 each. Then we got the Great Value. These have nacho cheese, like the crunchy Cheetos, I guess, puffs, and then like ranch Doritos. They were $5, so $4.98. Now for cheat day, we got this salsa con queso for $2. We got the sweet spicy chili. That's what Jackson and I like. Alana wanted regular nacho cheese. Now here's how we do this. We will have one day of eating what we want. The next day, if it's not gone, we toss it. Or we find somebody to give it away to. Because we're probably, you know, this will be gone. All right, we picked up some blueberries. They were $3. And then these strawberries were $4.70 something. So almost $5. Picked up Care oranges. They were $5. They are not good. The ones at Aldi are much better. We're going to try this gel dishwasher detergent. This was like $3.68 or something of that nature. And then at the Walmart we go to, you can get a 60 count eggs for $1.75. They're $6 at our Walmart. So there it is, you guys. Quick birthday haul for Jackson's party. Of course, these 2 things are for the party. This is for the party. That's for cheat day. This is just to throw in the pantry. And then a couple other little staples. So you guys stay tuned for something really special. But we do want to thank you guys so much for stopping by. If you liked the video, be sure and thumb it up. Don't forget to subscribe, but watch till the end. And we'll see you next time.